The world's first ever computer programmer who wrote the world's first ever algorithm was a woman. There are studies that states female coders are more competent than males. Yet people believe that women get tech jobs because they are women and not because of their talent.
Don't you think it's time to break the stereotype?
I never thought I cannot go into the tech field, but the world still seems to believe that technology is not our cup of tea. I'm here today to shatter those beliefs by breaking all the stereotypes and not being afraid of the world.
I believed in myself, irrespective of what others had to say. The goal is to look up to your growth and work your way towards achieving it. Break all barriers because you can. This Women's Day, I just want to remind every woman out there that you can, no matter what the stereotype.
When I look back to my younger self, I would tell myself to be confident enough to believe in myself. I took inspiration from all those women who were passionate about their work to build and grow. The inspiration gives you the voice of your own, one that can help you to be the strength you have been looking for. Being a woman in tech is not easy, but it is your passion with which you fly.
This Women's Day, we believe she can and she will.